A cause is something that directly produces an effect or result, while a reason is an explanation for why something happened. Number 1. The storm was the main blank of damage. Did the storm just appear and make damage happen by itself? Or is it explaining something? Think for a second. Got it? Yes, it directly produced the damage. So we need cause here. Read it with me. The storm was the main cause of damage. Number 2. I have no blank to be angry today. Does the anger appear directly? Or are we explaining why I might feel it? Right, it's an explanation. So the right word is reason. Repeat after me. I have no reason to be angry today. Excellent. Number 3. Poor sleep is a blank of tiredness. Poor sleep directly produces the effect of tiredness. That's a clear cause. Say it with me. Poor sleep is a cause of tiredness. Number 4. What is the blank for your decision? Are we asking what made the decision happen? Or why it happened? We want the explanation, right? So this is reason. Read with me. What is the reason for your decision? Perfect. Finally, number 5. Smoking is the leading blank for cancer. Smoking directly produces the harmful effect, so it's a cause. Say it with me. Smoking is the leading cause of cancer. Great work. Quick recap. A cause directly produces an effect, and a reason explains why something happened. Keep that in mind, and you'll never confuse them again. Now try the extra exercise on your own, and check the answers afterward. I'm Nelson, and remember always find a real cause before blaming the wrong reason. I'll see you next time. Bye.